especially for accounting students, specifically for accounting students, is that by nature of who they are and what they want to study, they value technical skills over problem solving skills, and technical skills over application, communication, discussion, and emotional intelligence. You know, so they kind of, in a completely over summarized oversimplification, they prefer or they value IQ over EQ.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
And I know in your specialism of auditing, that's probably very, very prevalent.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think, you know, lecturing auditing is a fascinating, has given me such an interesting facet and view into student studying, because although they're accountants, auditing is completely contradictory to most of the skills that they thought they were going to be learning.
Yeah.
You know, most of them come into auditing and they go, but where's all the numbers? You know, I started studying accounting because I was good with numbers. And now you're giving me all this communication stuff. You know, if I wanted to do communication, I'd have studied English, you know, I'd have studied literature.
It's funny whenever you say that I'll give an example of a person that come in. Whenever I worked for Grant Thornton, I was senior audit manager for Grant Thornton, and we had a student that came in that had every academic qualification under the sun to the highest standard, but whenever put out into the field and having to go and talk to clients, going to have to extract the proper information, that was non-existent. Couldn't sit down and have a conversation, or if it was quite robotic. So one bit, I believe is one of my strengths, Yvonne, whenever I was a trainee accountant, was able to sit down with a client and go, well, how you doing? How's your family? Are you going for holiday? Whatever. But give me the bank rec. Give me this. You know what I mean? But build that rapport first.
Yeah,
and that's maybe skills that need to be developed more with the students, definitely.
I think people think that accountants and auditors are not people persons. You know, they like to sit behind it. But the reality is you have to be more of a people person, because the people on the other side of the table probably don't like you.
Yeah.
You know, not because you personally, but they're nervous about what you're there to do. They don't know what you do. They don't understand the language that you're speaking. You know, you speak in financial statement lingo that they don't really understand. And you intimidate them, you make them nervous. So you've actually got to be really good with people skills to calm them down, get what you need out of them, you know, and like understand what's going on, get them talking or conversation, because you know, that nerves, that anxiety, that fear is not going to get you the information that you need. So you actually have to be really good at people skills in order to do this properly.
And I'm delighted you mentioned emotional intelligence. Maybe we'll touch on that further on down in the conversation.